That's it.
I'm sure I did get to fish him. I'm sure. Yeah, the dark one.
Yeah, he's almost charcoal black right now.
See him right there? Right up to your left. He's coming up. There he is.
20 to about 45 years. Males live significantly shorter than the females. Females will live closer to 35, 40, males closer to 20, 25.
That's because none of the men take care of themselves.
Well, it's in a way that's, oh, hey, buddy.
A little juvenile guy there. Yeah, he wasn't very If I had to come back as an animal, I'd like to come back before.
It wouldn't be a bad gig, I don't think. If there's anything to do with reincarnation, I could definitely come back with one of these guys.
Fast in the water, agile.
Yeah, they can hit speeds of 20 to 30 miles per hour. They can leap 20, 25 foot in the air if they want to.